Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. As you guys know, we appreciate all the support we get from all of our followers, and one of the best ways we know of your support is by having our windshield banner proudly displayed on your Camaro. Installing this banner can take some time to get in the perfect angle, but as I'm going to show you, it's not an impossible task, just one that takes some careful planning. Start by cleaning the windshield free of any dirt or debris using a simple soap and water mixture. Any other cleaner that leaves a protective layer will need to be cleaned off as well, so the vinyl will adhere properly to the windshield. With our banner, the S is going to reference the center portion of the banner that will line up with the rear view mirror. Using some tape, we can tape the center of the banner to the roof to mark our center point. The banner will be installed about 1 inch below the top of the glass. We will also mark the sides for reference and to help the banner from moving side to side. With the banner in place, remove the transfer paper and start to lay the banner in place, doing your best job to keep it level. Using a plastic card, start in the center and work your way to the sides, laying the logo in place. Then slowly remove the transfer tape, revealing the logo. There you have it, guys. I will suggest to take your time just to get that perfect look. Also, a big thank you for the support with displaying our logo on your Camaro. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like to get your hands on this banner, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.